in the back, we'll have to have a look. Square footage, 2000. Well, it's 2004, but basement. Finished, full. So 1000 is full. Now, bedrooms, for it to say 4, and I've seen this a lot in this neighborhood, for it to be a real bedroom, you have to have an egress window. That's another video, but a big enough window for a fireman to jump through is kind of the standard, basic standard, and it needs a closet. A lot of the properties, there might be a room that people call a bedroom, but it's actually not, because it doesn't have those things. Lot size, what? Lot size 0.15, 6534, it's the same. Sold price 367. So let's just look now real quick. Okay, this one doesn't have photos either, but remember what we said, internet's great. And what I'm looking for real quick is 15 photos, there we go. The state of the 4th bedroom. And I do apologize. Oh, excuse me. My internet, man, my internet is running really slow. So it says a 2-car detached garage. Let's have a look. The front of the house, that's good. Oh, there's your garage. So it really does have a 2-car garage, whereas we don't. And now I'm looking for 4th bedroom, 1 bathroom. Okay, 1 bedroom. I'm guessing that's upstairs. Bedroom, realtor.com, thanks. 2 bedroom. Is that a 3rd bedroom there? I'm just looking at the bedspreads. Okay, 3rd bedroom there. Now, so it definitely has 3 bedrooms. Bathroom, that's definitely downstairs. Downstairs, they're not showing a 4th bedroom. So for argument's sake, I am going to say there's not a 4th bedroom. There is a room which our subject property 12915 also has, and in fact I believe our property when we bought it was listed at 5 bedroom, but it's actually officially only 3. So we're going to say 3. So now we've got 3 comps, which is a good number. They're very close. They're all very similar in size. Well, let's run through. Year built, we want the comps to be the same or very similar. 71, 69. That's pretty darn good. Bedrooms, 3, 3, 3, and we made the last one 3 because I actually believe it is. Bath, 2, 1, 3, 2. So you're starting to see there's this one here. I'm going to just mark this 1 because, I mean, that's the same. Garage, but it has a garage, whereas these ones don't, so they're the same. Same size square footage, basement, lot size the same. So there is some discrepancy, garage, but for all intents and purposes, these are the same. So what you do now, you've got 3 properties, 362, 390, 367. Down here, what you do is you add them all up and divide them by 3. So 362 plus 390 plus 367 equals, divided by 3 equals 373. Funny, remember we said 375 earlier. So 373 would be a really good place for you to start in regards to the value of a house. If we were going to sell Pensacola Place, that's where we would start. Running comps and adjusting for variations. When you're running comps, I said I wouldn't get into this, but running comps and adjusting for variations, you need to have a bit more of an understanding, and this is why realtors and real estate agents, real estate professionals, this is where they come in. They really do shine, guys. I'm not saying leave them out, I think having an understanding of what your house is worth is very, very important, because then you know how to gauge the information that you're being told. Like if you run this and you're seeing 373 and an agent says, oh, I can sell your house for 450. Honestly, guys, gals, people, Denver homeowners, if it sounds too good to be true, it is. And what some unscrupulous agents will do is they will tell you they can get a lot more. They'll get it under contract with you, and then over a period of time they'll be like, oh, I'm sorry, we've just got to drop the price, and you'll end up selling at 373. So running comps for yourself for free is a great idea but even before you start talking with an agent. And you can have this information in your back pocket so that as you interview agents and get an understanding for who they are, see if they're coming in around this number. Like if an agent said 400, yeah, but that's okay. But I would want them to tell me why they think they can get up to 400. And you can say, look, I've looked at properties around there. I've talked to some people. I've talked to other agents. They were probably thinking more like 370, 380. That's my feeling as well. But get an understanding. Learn to trust yourself. And find that good agent that has good information, that has information or facts to back anything up. If an agent comes in lower, they probably don't. That's okay. They're probably not trying to oversell you, overpromise, so there might be another reason not to use them. But anyway, 373. What I was saying about making adjustments, which a good agent can do. So this property here, 367, it had a 2-car garage. So it's like, how much does it cost to make a 2-car garage? So our property to sell, because there's a 2-car garage, really simply, let's say a garage costs $20,000. So we think to compare it to this one would be minus 20. I'm just throwing numbers out there, guys. So for this to be a comp would be this minus this. So I don't want to put minus 20. I want to put 20. Just getting into level 2 stuff here, which would mean we'd price our house at 353. So what were the adjustments here? There was an extra bath